sir said you may not come on time.
I was late one time, but you will never stop mentioning it, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm the loco engineer.
Hi, Karthik. Satyada sir informed me you are on the team. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco developed indigenously in Banaras. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satyada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are visible. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Kavitha, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, push the throttle to full. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start. Keep going. We have to create a new India speed record. Fantastic effort, team. We have done it. Final phase zone through to left passing. Loco is ready for service.
Yeah, it was going to drive, sir.
Everyone on the mission today has received a Fremont certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the logo.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all.